Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to share with you guys these two improvised lanterns I made with simple flashlights, using just simple flashlights. And for this one here, I used a shampoo container. The plastic is translucent, any translucent plastic will do. And this one here is a stain remover container. Yeah, inside I just covered with foil, aluminum foil, so it can reflect the light. And I use this soap box, also wrapped in foil, to reflect light. And inside I place these two flashlights pointing up, so when the lid is on, so will reflect the light. So I place these two inside, like this, like so, and screw the lid. That's it. You have an improvised lantern. I'll show you in a minute when it's dark. I turn off the light and show how it's gonna be. Here I made with simple flashlight, no expensive flashlight. So this is not expensive, it's very basic one. And a shampoo container. I just removed the lid and used some electric tape to wrap around, and that's it. Now we have can be as lantern. You can use as lantern, or you can signalize. You can use to signalize in the dark. We're gonna show you in a minute. I'm gonna use a dark room to see how they perform. Yeah, I decided to improvise even more improvisation. So I decided to add one more flashlight. I don't have room in the box for extra flashlight, so I just use some elastic bands and wrap around the box. So we have 3 flashlights. So I just place inside, like so. Close the lid, and that's it. We have a lantern. I'll show you in the dark in a minute. Hi guys, I'm in a totally dark room now. This room is really dark. I'll show you the first lantern I made, how it's performing. This one is the big one with 3 flashlights inside. It's quite nice, I like it. Very simple, and it's working fine. It's producing loads of light. Yeah, just sitting there like a lantern. Yeah, you can improvise, very cheap to make and doesn't cost anything. So guys, this one here, I'm quite happy with the result. It's pretty nice. Will be a perfect solution for emergency lantern, or if you go camping, if you don't have a lantern, you can improvise like this. Just place on a table or somewhere high, and you have a nice source of light. Hi, I did some change now. I removed 2 flashlights. I just operate now with 1 light inside. So I show you inside. Let's see if I can open the lid. Place 1 inside, just 1 flashlight. And not bad, still works fine. Yeah, I just moved further a little bit to see how it's shiny. Another good thing, if you just placed some flashlights inside the container, close the lid, and it's waterproof. Perfect. I show you the second lantern I made. This one here will be perfect for signalizing. So let's see how it's performing in the dark. Okay. So you can hold on the torch, and you have this light. The whole container is lit, so you can use this signalize. Yeah, move around. So yeah, or you can just use the linear. Use the linear and hang somewhere. I'll hang on the door handle here. Let's have a look. And yeah, you have a lantern. Alright guys, thanks very much. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned. Bye bye.